Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Excel supports the feature, Excel 365 or the mobile app. Open your workbook and pick the cell where the data should land. Once done, use a clear, high-contrast image. Crop away margins and glare so table lines are visible. Make sure headings and numbers are legible. Blurry photos create errors. You should be ready now to import. Proceed to the Data tab or the mobile camera button, depending on your device. You now perform the import step. On desktop, go to Data right arrow from Picture, right arrow Picture from File or Clipboard, and select your photo. On mobile, tap the camera icon inside Excel's Data or Insert area and capture or pick the image. Once Excel analyzes the picture, review the preview, confirm columns, headers, and numeric parsing. If values look off, edit cells in the preview to fix column splits or decimals. Then accept the conversion. You finish by tidying the imported table. Once data is in Excel, apply text to columns for delimiter issues, set number or date formats, and correct decimal or thousand separators. If you see OCR mistakes, retake the picture with higher contrast or fewer lines, or paste a cropped screenshot instead. Make sure to save a copy before major edits and validate key totals against the original document. One tip: if OCR repeatedly misreads characters, simplify fonts or use a direct CSV export instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.